So this is TSH Auto, and they are a professional repair service, and they specialize in Euro vehicles. Lots of Audi stuff here, but a little bit of all the Euros in general. But they're so much more than that. If you've been a long-time viewer, there's a good chance you've seen their Porsche Cayenne. So they built one of the craziest drifting, maybe the only drifting Porsche Cayenne that we've ever seen, and we featured it on the show. We got to see it at Drift Jam. There's so much more to what you can see from the storefront here, and these guys have offered to give us a tour, so let's jump into this.
Hello everyone, my name is Vasily Mishukov and I work at TSH Auto as a, I do some custom fabrication and work.
Thank you.
This is our office.
That's awesome.
The guy who works in the office,
Nice to meet you.
he is a pro driver who drives my Cayenne, and we're building the car for him. This is just a office, me and nothing to film here. We work on the Euros only.
Okay.
But the Audi is the main thing.
Yeah, that's right.
So Audi is just, we specialize in that like a lot. If you can, we do BMW, Range Rover, like basically everything Euros, but they're more German stuff. See, some engines, we change in engines, we repair engines.
So if you're a longtime viewer or reader even, this is a build that's probably familiar to some of you. Why don't you break down what we're looking at here for us, because there's a lot.
Yeah, so it's our 2009 Audi A4 Avant. Started as just regular Avant with broken engine. And just keep adding stuff. The first I did the engine swap. It's a S4 engine transmission swap, because never in North America they never sold the Avants S4s, so that was my main idea to do something like that. And so we started from engine swap. It's a little bit dirty because it was sitting all summer.
Look at that.
It's a little bit dirty, but it's
That happens. They're all dirty.
because it was sitting all winter. So it's just V6 supercharged out of S4, dual pulley, 400 horsepower wheels. But the main thing too is RS5 front end.
Right.
Never been on A4. Just wide body, 3-piece rims. A little bit dirty because it was driving at the rain yesterday. Some stereo system.
Just a little stereo system.
Yeah, little.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah. He's trying to watch.
Yeah.
Because he is putting the car in the back. Some nice exhaust, as I like something different to it. Roof box, obviously, because I need to put my spares and everything.
Yeah, you're out of space now.
Yeah, because this one I have in my spare tire in here.
Well, there you go.
Everything.
So the machine shop is all in-house?
Yes, we do. We have a rotor machine, boring. We have a honing machine, because it was always an issue with, with machine shops.
Oh, you wait for
timing.
Yeah.
And always when it comes back, the sizes of the pistons, the bore size, everything.
Right, might not match up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why we got the machine.
Smart.
I'm gonna show you now. This one, we put the engines together, planning to cover it up. Yeah, this one is, here is all like parts for that and not for that, for the projects, not projects.
Bearings, heads, camshafts, pistons, rings,
everything.
the whole nine.
So here we have our engine we built for Pro AM car.
Oh. Whoa. Hold up.
It's VR6,
Yeah.
3.2, 24 valve. So a few things here. We also got CNC machine.
I see the CNC cut right there.
Yes, we built this one. We built this piece, made piece. I'm gonna show you this one because we're switching to electric steering or
Nice.
water pump. So it's a little bit jacked up, but this is it.
It's gonna be a VR6 powered. What am I even looking at?
It's
an
Audi A5.
Oh, it's an A5.
Yes, Audi
Okay.
A5, original 2010, but we're putting the B8.5 front end on it, so it will be like 2013 and up front end.
Nice.
VR6, 3.2 liter, 24 valve, forced internals. This is just a mock-up engine because we're doing the
So you can make some
engine
mounts.
mount.
Yeah. Really nice.
We
mount
make
system.
the made-in-house design, the alternator brackets, transmission adapter. We're gonna run the BMW transmission for now out of E92 335.
Is that still a ZF?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And maybe switch for something else using the JZX100 Serial 9 engine mounts.
I saw the Serial 9 mounts rigged up.
And my custom design
that's
for
awesome.
the plates.
So has someone done a VR6 swap in a chassis like this already?
This one, okay, there is one drift car in Norway, I think, with a VR6.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is our manifold.
Wow, that's gonna be a tight fit, eh?
So basically, it's like this.
That's unreal.
And here our guard is gonna be here.
This is killer though. This is gonna be good.
Yeah, we want to make it looks cool.
Cutting-
Big class machine.
Yeah, yeah,
But
perfect
it
for
does
cutting
everything.
custom brackets.
Yes, this is a honing machine.
That's cool.
See this one, this stuff we cut.
Oh, there's
here.
a perfect example.
Yeah, but this one, this is a very
That's
expensive
a big machine. Yeah, no kidding. What am I even looking
So
at?
this is a Rotler F67.8. We bought it used. Like we do boring, resurfacing, re-drilling for like bigger studs and all that stuff. That's what machine can do.
Dude.
Basically, our shop.
Take it to
This is our vibrant performance shipping.
Ooh, like what I see.
This is just the good spare parts
Oh
we
my
take from the
God.
cars. Because we buy cars and part them out sometimes, and we look at the parts, which one is like good quality and everything. We test them all and put them here.
This makes my parts bin look like nothing.
You need a turbo? Here it is.
Oh my God.
Superchargers. V6 supercharged. All control
A
arms.
bunch of control arms.
Yeah, that's why it makes sense for us to build Audi, right? Even
Find most
nobody,
of the parts you need.
even nobody ever built that. But
How many
that's-
superchargers?
That's
Enough.
specific for us, right? You need the red coil pucks.
Are those the Audi R8 ones?
Yeah.
I can run those on my SR20 actually.
Yeah, no problem.
So if you're trying to build an Audi, or your Audi needs work, you need to look no further than right here at TSH Auto.
Yeah, that's what we're specialized in.